In this video, we're gonna dive deep into the world of Ranger boats and check out the latest models that you can take out for your next fishing trip. We're gonna cover the essentials from design to technical specs and, of course, the all-important price tag. So, sit tight and get ready to learn about some seriously amazing boats. Now, if you haven't heard of Ranger boats yet, you must be living under a rock. These guys are the biggest bass boat makers in the US, and they've been killing it since Forrest and Nina Wood founded the company back in 1968. It's been over 50 years, and they're still on top of their game, producing some of the strongest performing boats in the segment. From bass boats to saltwater and even pontoon boats, they've got you covered. So whether you're a pro angler or just looking for a fun day out on the water, let's see if they have a boat that will suit your needs. Welcome to Harbour Masters, your regular dose of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. We'll begin with the Ranger RT-188P aluminum bass boat of the tournament series, one of the Ranger's best aluminum bass rigs with tournament-ready capabilities. Powered by a 115 ELPD Pro XS 4-stroke command thrust Mercury engine, this unit can pump out a maximum of 115 horsepower. Spanning 18 feet and 10 inches, or 5.74 meters, this boat measures 92 inches or 2.34 meters in beam, with a gross weight distribution of 1,460 pounds or around 660 kilograms. It has a fuel capacity of 24 gallons or 91 liters and can carry up to 4 persons aboard. The Ranger RT-188P boasts a notable amount of next-generation features, including a pad bottom with a new, stronger keel, fiberglass bow panel, flush-mount electronics, and a wide solid platform bow to stern. Its offset transom can also accommodate dual power poles and a jack plate. True to its purpose as a fishing vessel, this unit features an insulated cooler in front of the console and a lockable storage box. Meanwhile, the cockpit has twin footboards and a storage step to the front deck, while the gas tank has been moved under the seats. The space at the rear deck also allows passengers to carry more equipment. Currently, the price for this boat starts at $35,000 US. At number 4, we have the Ranger Z520R with its 250L Pro XS Torque Master 1.75 Mercury engine, capable of running at a maximum of 250 horsepower. Stretching as wide as 8 feet and 2.44 meters in beam, this unit measures up to 20 feet and 11 inches, or 6.38 meters in length. This is a remarkable iteration of Ranger's go-to anglers, the Ranger Z Comanche series. It can handle a gross weight of 1,850 pounds or 840 kilograms in total, and that includes a maximum of 4 passengers. It also has a maximum fuel capacity of 54 gallons or 204 liters, making sure you're packed for the trip. Dubbed by the Ranger boats themselves as the next chapter in bass boat revolution, the Z520R comes with a standard Ranger ride system that gives you control over every boat and engine function. It also comes with a new shellback bolstered seating, allowing you to rest on seats equipped with Cloud9 air ride shock system that takes the teeth out of the chop. The coin box on board includes standard lithium batteries for added security, while bigger storage boxes are added to ensure more room for the catch. The asking price for this boat starts at $80,000 US. Hailed as the Ranger boat's flagship for 55 years in the making, we have the 55th Anniversary Limited Edition Ranger Z521R of the Ranger Z Comanche series at number 3. Powered by 250L Pro XS Torque Master 1.75 Mercury engine, this watercraft can pump out a maximum of 300 horsepower with a fuel capacity of 54 gallons or 205 liters. This unit measures up to 21 feet and 9 inches or 6.6 meters in length, accompanied by a beam of 8 feet or 2.44 meters. Compared to the Z520R, this one can carry a gross weight of 2,300 pounds or 1,050 kilograms with a maximum passenger capacity of 5 persons. The 55th Anniversary Limited Edition Z521R boat has a one-of-a-kind color scheme inside and out, commemorative logos all over, RGB carpet trim lights, custom black chrome accents, and premium heated driver's seat with shock-absorbing air bladders in the bottom and seat back. Even the trailer has custom-matched fenders, 17-inch black Challenger wheels, and smoke taillights to make a complete package that will definitely turn heads on a road or on the water. It's a Ranger vessel that any Ranger boat collector would want to get their hands on. This Ranger boat has a base price of over $105,000 US. The Ranger 622 FS Pro splashes at number 2. A deep V fiberglass model, proven to be one of the best all-around big water boats on the market. Running on 350 XL V10 Mercury Verado, with a maximum of 450 horsepower, this unit has an overall length of 22 feet and 11 inches, or 6.96 meters. With a beam of 8.5 feet or 2.59 meters. It can handle up to 2,650 pounds or 1,202 kilograms of gross weight and can carry up to 7 passengers aboard. It also has a 56-gallon or 202-liter fuel capacity, packing more power, more strength, and more capabilities. This is the boat you'll want to bring when facing bigger waves. The Ranger 622 FS Pro features a large front deck and cockpit that is bigger than any standard deep V, allowing you to store up to 9-foot rods and plenty of tackle and gear. The cockpit, on the other hand, can fit up to dozens of boxes, rods, and even your winning stringer in the oversized Live Well, with a capacity of 28 gallons or 106 liters. It also comes with Ranger Ride multifunction display, custom-crafted upholstered trim, and integrated trim slab slots. Overall, this unit offers a smooth and solid ride. It is currently valued at around $112,000 US. Before we look at the rest of the video, don't forget to check out the link on screen or click the link in the description box below. Your support will absolutely help us grow and bring you more weekly content. And now for our topic, we have the Ranger 2660 Bay Boat, one of Ranger Boat's latest saltwater inshore models. This unit is powered by a 400XL V10 Mercury Verado engine, capable of kicking out a maximum of 400 horsepower. The 94 gallons or 356-liter fuel capacity adds to its performance, along with the 3,860 pounds or 1,751 kilograms of gross weight, and 10-person capacity. This watercraft measures up to 25 feet and 10 inches, or 7.87 meters, with a beam of 102 inches, or 2.59 meters. Without a doubt, the Ranger 2660 Bay Boat packs muscle thanks to its fully foam-injected hull for buoyancy, insulation from vibration, and lift-down bolstered cockpit seating for maximum versatility, visibility, and comfort. The angler-friendly front deck has 2 places to store rods and a large fish box. This deck layout is also great for casting jigs or nets. Live bait storage sits behind the driver's seat or on the front deck step for easy access. Meanwhile, rod holders all over the boat keep your gear close at hand. This unit can also be taken for family outings as it comes with a rear swim platform and optional front deck cushions. It currently has a starting price of around $125,000 US. Now that you've seen some of the latest offerings from Ranger boats, it's time to pick your favorite. Which one do you think suits your needs best? And what other features do you consider important in a fishing boat? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section and share this video to help anyone looking for great fishing boat options. See you in the next one!